Okay, so you're a business owner. You know video is key to closing deals. But where do you even start?
Let's cut through the noise. We'll break down the real costs and find what actually gets you paid.
Okay, myth number one. This is a big one. Let's look at the real numbers for a 50-minute video.
So high-end AI tools, they charge for every single minute you generate and then regenerate to fix mistakes. But a studio, it's a flat rate. Once you're in, that 49th minute costs you basically nothing. See the difference? AI pricing punishes you for length. A studio's flat rate actually rewards it. Okay, but what about just using your webcam at home? That's free, right? Well, not exactly. All that background noise means you're paying an audio engineer. A pro studio gives you a clean file from the start.
So let's break it down. When you look at cost and speed for long-form content, it's not even close.
But here's the real question. Will this actually help you sell? Because cost doesn't matter if it doesn't connect. In big deals, clients want to see the real you, your quirks, your passion. That's what builds trust.
And let's be honest, people find AI avatars kind of creepy. It just screams you couldn't be bothered to show up.
But seeing a real human, that's a premium now. It feels like a real conversation, so viewers actually lean in.
Now, don't get me wrong, Polish isn't always bad. For super formal stuff, precision is absolutely key. But when you're trying to build trust with a client, that conversational style wins. It's the right tool for the job. So how do you get the best of both worlds? The answer isn't human or AI. It's human, then AI. First, you record your authentic human self to build that core trust. Then you use AI to scale it globally. This is the hybrid approach. You're using the human for the soul and the AI for the scale. Genius, right? And the results? Well, the claim is this strategy turns your business into a serious lead generation machine. Which leaves us with one final big question. When AI gets perfect, will we still buy from a real person?